Take command of the road in the 2013 Ford F-150. A 5-liter V8 engine pairs with a sophisticated 6-speed automatic transmission, and for added security, Dynamic Stability Control supplements the drivetrain. 4-wheel drive allows you to go places you've only imagined. Top features include a split folding rear seat, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, remote keyless entry, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Safety equipment has been integrated throughout, including dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, front side impact airbags, traction control, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Please don't hesitate to give us a call.